This video will show how to review citations in Citation Explorer. When viewing results from a patent search in PatBase, there is a link to view citations in the family header. Clicking on this link opens Citation Explorer in a new window. Family information is detailed at the top of this window, and there is a Show Filters button which gives you the option to filter members, citations, and self-citations, for example, by year, country, probable assignee, and more. Citation Explorer will by default open onto the Browser tab. Here, there is a window to view full text information on the right. Select to view family members or backwards or forward citations using the expandable menu on the left-hand side. The top section of this menu lists the family members. The upwards-facing arrow icon next to each publication in the family is a link to open a new Citation Explorer window for only the selected publication, instead of for the whole family. Backward citations are color-coded in red, and forward citations are color-coded blue. The number next to each publication refers to the number of backward citations and forward citations. If a number in green is available, it indicates there is a non-patent literature citation available for the publication. Below, the numbers in the brackets next to backwards refer to the number of cited families on the left and the number of cited publications on the right. This is the same for forward citations in blue below. Expand backwards in this menu to view the backward citations which are sorted by family. Where available, there are category codes labelled in yellow, which are the examiner citation codes obtained from the Patent Office search reports. Mouse over the category code to see what it means. To run a PatBase search with just the listed backward citations, click on the PatBase logo under the menu titled Backwards in the grey banner. All backward citations will be searched back in the PatBase window. This can be done on a backward citation level or a forward citations level, or both by clicking on the PatBase icon in the parent header below the list of family members. You will be prompted to choose to search by family or publication numbers. Your selection can be saved for future searches by selecting the Remember My Choice box. If you want to clear this selection at a later stage, simply click the round icon on the left. The drop-down menu in this parent header allows you to choose how to sort citations in the menu. Select to view by default, year, country, assignee, and more. At the top of the Citation Browser menu on the left, you can click on the book icon to toggle the dual pane view. This allows you to open two documents side by side for direct comparison. Use the tabs within the dual panes to view different parts of the patent document. For example, to compare the claims of both documents side by side. At the very top of the menu on the left-hand side, there's a drop-down menu to select whether to view full text information for each publication selected, or a summary view which changes the tabs in the viewer to only show bibliographic information and citations when a publication is selected. There is an option to download Citation Explorer data as an Excel document quickly by clicking on the Excel icon at the top of the menu. This exports all backwards and forward citation information. When viewing information in the publication viewer, whenever you see a grey square menu icon, hover over it to add a flag or a note. To view all the notes and flags created during the session, click the Notes and Flags tab in the tab menu along the top of the window. This will show a full list of all the flagged or annotated citations that have been reviewed. Please note that notes and flags are only stored for your current PatBase session. So once you log out of PatBase, notes and flags assigned to citations will be lost. In the Notes and Flags tab, you can run a search with the selected citations in PatBase by clicking on the PatBase logo. Or you can add these citations to a folder by right-clicking on the folder icon and selecting the folder to add the listed publications to. This list will only show the 10 most recent saved folders on your PatBase ID. The Statistics tab provides a visual statistical overview of the forwards and backwards citations for the selected family. See an overview by date or assignees by clicking on the relevant tab above the chart. The Timeline tab in the main menu shows a timeline of the citations by year, showing backward citations in red and forward citations in blue. Use the drop-down menu on the left to select what type of data to show, from publication, application, or earliest priority year. The icon above this expands the publication information within the timeline view. Next, in the Tree tab, view backwards and forward citations for a family in an easy-to-understand tree. Use the options in the left-hand side menu to select the information shown in the tree. For example, enable the Dead or Alive tags. Hover over each branch in the tree to view more information about the publications. Click on any of the publications of interest to expand the tree and open additional generations of backwards or forward citations where available. Finally, the Matrix tab is an option for viewing the breakdown of citations for each member of the patent family being analysed. Thank you for watching this video on reviewing citations in Citation Explorer. For more information, please contact us at support@mindsoft.com or visit the Mindsoft Knowledge Hub.